Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys a video that I found on TikTok, and it creates nice beach waves with no heat, and you just use your string from your robe. So first you want the whole length, and then you put the middle on your head like that, okay? And then you're gonna wrap it as if I'm gonna keep my bangs out, but you're gonna wrap it as it looks like you're taking like a section for a curling iron. And you wrap it around, and then when you get like this, you take another section and you join that into that section, and then you wrap around and you wrap it. So you're just twisting it back. And you do that all the way down your face. So you twist like that all the way. Just keep adding more hair as you go. And then when you run out of hair in the front side, you'll continue doing the back hair, but you'll wrap it this way around the front. So then it'll give you like a kind of a beachy wave. So this side, I like to wrap it all at once because it's kind of confusing when you're trying to do the back forward and then the front back. So I'll wrap this all like this, and then if you need, you can pin that off with like a clip or something so it doesn't move, and then because it will like kind of unravel, but I'll still kind of hold it. And then the front, I'll go like this and wrap it around backwards, and then you do the same. You grab some and you wrap it forward, and you grab the last little chunk. It's going to be looser in the back obviously, but you want it to be more framing your face anyway, right? So, and you'll wrap this like this. You can kind of take that out now. Usually I'll just hold it with my fingers, and then you'll wrap it like that. And then it'll look like this. Okay, and you'll take your scrunchie. I prefer to use a scrunchie because it doesn't leave an indent in the hair, whereas like elastic would. Or you can use one of those like coily elastics, and I'll just wrap it like this. And then it looks like that. Okay, and then we'll do the same on the other side. So always away from the face. So you take your little piece, take it the size, like I said, of if you were to curl your hair with like a wand or something, like the size you'd want to wrap around the wand. So you wrap it around, then you grab a little, and then you wrap those together. Then you grab more. And also it's best if your hair is kind of like damp. If it's really wet, you might end up having like a wet look, like a wetter, like a root, like if you slept on your wet hair. And lately, because I'm at home all day, I've been doing this and then just like taking it out in a couple hours, and the curls are like awesome. Like I'll watch a TV show or something and like the curls will look awesome. But probably for best results, you'd want to like sleep on it overnight, because if you shower at night and then you can just sleep on it. But I like to shower in the morning, so I kind of just will do this after I shower. So once you run out of hair in the front section, you just wrap, wrap, wrap. And guys, this like amazed me when I first did it. Because usually when I braid my hair, it doesn't turn out good. Like it looks like I don't even know. It looks like I like took like I don't even know how to explain it. It looks like I just took like something and electrocuted my hair with it, because it looks like a frizzy mess. Like if I just braid it and sleep on it, like it looks so bad. So when I discovered this, I was like, holy, like I didn't think it was gonna work, but it actually works, guys, and the results are amazing. Take the backs and wrap it all the way forward. I usually don't use the clip, but because I'm looking at a viewfinder, I'm using the clip. And then you wrap that forward, and then you take your scrunchie and you wrap. And then that's the look, and I will come back in a couple of hours or so and I will show you. And if you guys wanted, you could always blow dry this in, and like It's not as bad as putting like a flat iron or something to your hair, or a curling iron. So yeah, you could do that to speed it up, but I'll just give it a couple hours, maybe go outside, it's a nice sunny day, and then I'll show you guys the results. See you guys soon. Okay, you guys, I'm back, and I cheated and I blow dried it a bit just because I wanted to come back on here and show you guys the final results. So I'm just gonna start taking it out now. Look at that. Amazing. Like I said though, ideally it'd be best probably to like actually sleep on it, because then it will fully allow your hair to like dry completely. Yeah, and then you can kind of like break up the curls and mess it up a bit, but it is like foolproof and I'm loving it. Okay, you guys, I hope you all enjoyed that video. We're losing our natural sunlight here, but give it a big thumbs up and comment down below if you had great results with it. I can't wait to hear. And I hope you all are staying healthy and safe with your families at home in this difficult time. But we're all going to get through this together, guys. So stay strong, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.